So I recently had a customer, we introduced a product to him, and he's used traditional self-leveling mixing application where just a hand drill and a bucket. He's been doing it forever that way. And when I told him that the new HD model, the Gen 2 Hippo, could mix 5 bags at one time, he didn't believe me until we showed him. Hi, my name is Chris Jankowski. I'm with Stanley Stevens Company in Orlando, Florida. One of the market segments that Stanley Stevens has focused on is machinery for the commercial flooring industry. And the most recent addition is the Portamix line. If there was one word to describe the Portamix line or company and product as a whole to us as Stanley Stevens is family. Being a family-owned company, I see the same amount of pride involved in the product and the lineup as we share here at Stanley Stevens. One of the things important in choosing a vendor or a product to partner up with in distribution in any industry is that word partnership specifically and support. So Jerry and Eddie Suckling with Portamix are extremely accessible, extremely helpful, and extremely hands-on in their roles with the company. An example of that would be flying halfway across the world to sunny Orlando, Florida to do a hands-on product demo personally. I do not see a lot of product demos for actual machinery. You see product demos as far as sundries, self-levelers, adhesives, mortars, tile setting materials, things like that. I think that it's a complete game changer, and it makes all the difference in the world when a representative of the company actually personally shows up, gets dirty, demonstrates the product, and then actually for us in advertising for a demonstration event, that's one of the biggest selling points. You got a couple guys that come from halfway across the world to show pride in their product and promote it. So we had a customer come in today for our demo day. His name was Ken Williams with Mastercraft Interiors. Boy, was he not expecting what he walked into.
We got just a lever here. All right. To put out, and then.
It was simple. It was painless. The balance point is higher on this than it is on the ones that we're using, so that it allows us to have 2 more bags, almost doubling our production rate without doubling the effort to dump it. Kenny Williams, Sarasota, Florida. Mastercraft Interiors, AKA Certified Dustless Floor Demo. It's not apples to apples to the ones I'm using now. It's kind of like driving a Yugo, which is what I have, versus a nice Mercedes.
Overall, when you add in the partnership, the quality of the product, all the problems that the Portamix product solves, it's just a win-win for all. If you're in the market or even considering, 1, bringing on a line to sell for yourself, 2, buying a product or a mixer to use in your own business, Portamix would definitely be the one for several reasons. You've got the backing, you've got the partnership, you've got the family values, and then you've got proven performance of the machine itself.